Hey everyone, today we've got something special to unbox. It's an early look at the OnePlus 12R Special Edition, the Genshin Impact Special Edition. I'm pretty excited about this one. Let's dive in and check it out. First things first, let's get it out of the shipping box. I'm genuinely excited about this unboxing, and from the weight of it, there's something substantial inside. The presentation is already impressive, with careful packaging. As we unveil the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition, it's clear that they've put effort into making this a visually stunning device. The color scheme, especially the violet, is striking, and the phone feels heavy, hinting at something substantial. Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside the box. The phone specifications boast 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, which is quite impressive. The unboxing experience includes a variety of items like pins, buttons, stickers, and even a wearable button for enthusiasts of the Genshin Impact game. The attention to detail continues with a themed case, a 100-watt charger in the matching violet color, and a unique angled USB-C cable for a flush fit. There is even a stand that seems to add an extra level of customization, although I might need some help figuring out how it works. As we explore further, we find additional surprises like a themed See More tool and a letter to travelers, adding a personal touch to the unboxing experience. The overall presentation is impressive, and the added accessories enhance the overall value of the package. Moving on to the phone itself, the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition is described as more than just a visually enhanced version of the OnePlus 12R. It boasts 12 omnidirectional antennas, including those specifically designed for gaming. The Pro XDR display with 4500 nits brightness ensures a vibrant and clear gaming experience. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor promises smooth gaming performance without excessive heat generation. The 5500 mAh battery and the included 100-watt fast charging provide a balance between performance and battery life. The video concludes by highlighting the customizations within Oxygen OS, including exclusive display animations and personalized elements that cater to Genshin Impact fans. The OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition is priced at $649, but trade-in options are available, making it more accessible. To conclude, the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition stands out not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its gaming-focused features and thoughtful accessories. It's a device that caters to both technology enthusiasts and fans of the Genshin Impact game. If you're interested to buy, check out the links in the video description. Thanks for tuning in. Do like and share this video and subscribe GearBytes for more unboxing and tech news updates. I catch you in the next video.